Good morning, folks. We are doing another section of the Heart of Wales Line Trail. We have an extra companion today, so the word's gone out already. Rich from Wild Astro is joining us. We're doing section 2, which is Broome down to Bucknell, and we're doing it in the sort of correct order. There isn't a proper order, but I guess it goes southwest. So we're going to get the train up to Broome, and then we're going to walk back here, parked up at the little car park at Bucknell station. It is early, it's 25 past 7, been here since 7:15. So yeah, looking forward to it. Forecast is a bit mixed, but it is dry at the moment. It's a fair old little route as well. I've got it at 14 kilometres. The book says 17. So we'll find out who's right today. So we'll take you along for the walk. Okay, well, we're just leaving Aston Club. We just popped into the little shop. Really friendly chap in there, and his assistant, might be his wife. Yeah, really nice. Good to have a little natter. And now we're departing. So I'm just going to find the actual footpath, and then we head on off into the countryside. Thank you, Mr. Legend.
You're very welcome, sir.
A little schoolboy error there, but View Ranger was screaming and shouting in my pocket as we went off down at 90 degrees to where we were supposed to be going. We're now heading across the fields over to the road, and then we go round to Llanelli, I believe. Gymnastics.
So we've come under about a foot deep of water.
Oh, please fall in. Right, everyone, we've come out of the fields and we're into the little village, hamlet, or whatever you call it, of Llanelli. No idea what's here. We know there's a church because we can see it, but whether there's a coffee shop, we've yet to find out. Okay, folks, we're just leaving the road and back into the countryside, and effectively we're going into this field full of Dave's favourite animal. And then we're going up into the forest. It's squelchy. Okay, so we're now doing the first actual uphill section of the day. So that's twitching behind us, and we're heading up into this wood. I don't know the name of the wood, it'll be Twitching Wood, where we go up and over the top, and then we should be getting some views of Hopton then. Okay, done the hill, bit of puffing and panting, and across the road, and look what's in front of us. Basically, there is mid Wales. Nature! That for a vista. Okay, Hopton Castle is behind us. Just a little tip, if you're coming where a bit later in the year, you're coming down that field from that stile I'm sort of pointing to, that big oak tree, head for this building, because that's where the route carries on. You can see there's a little stile down there. We've just come down the tram lines of the crops and come across the field, but if the crops are up in the air you might not see that, so head for the little brick building and you're on the right route. Hopton Castle. Apparently all the peasants were slaughtered there. There's a story behind that which I've yet to find out. Thank you, Mr. Roberts. Okay, we're leaving the little village of Hopton Castle and we're heading up into the woods. So we sort of work our way up into there now. This is a renowned bit of forestry land for mountain biking. Come on over here. But yeah, it's gorgeous. This is different again to the last section. And then I think the third section that we'll do this way will then be Bucknell down to Knighton. Looking forward to that. We'll do that in a few weeks' time. And then after that, it gets out into proper open hill country, sheep country, mid Wales. So it will be beautiful. And we're going to look at doing some longer sections, maybe combining two together, and maybe wild camp, so we can find a nice hill somewhere on a sunny spring evening and show you a sunset over the Welsh hills. So that's the plan. Yes, when you get to this section that we've nearly cracked, I'll just show you where it is on the map. That'll warm you up if you were getting chilly. It's a steady climb. It's not steep, but it's continuous. And we don't know where the top is, but we think around this corner, and you can sort of see a break in the trees. Is that the top, Rich? Is that it? Thank God. Oh, that was a good slog, but we've done it. We're at the top of, well, the top of where the route goes, the top of Hopton Wood. It's pretty. A little diversion around that house because they've got dogs running loose, so don't follow the way markers there. Just look at the sign, it tells you just to skirt round the house and brings you into this field. You've got this beautiful open view looking back towards, well, Bucknell I think must be in the dip, and you just come down the field and drop onto the road. But yeah, that's a view. Unfortunately it's a bit weathered in, but there's some big hills there. I don't know if you can just see ahead there, there's a little track going off into the bottom of that wood. So that's the route. It's only a little bit of road. Honey Hole Farm.
Honey Hole.
There's a name. It's just a lovely old tree. I don't know what it is. Very soft bark. So if you know what that is, drop me a line in the comments, would you? Okay, we've dropped out of the footpath and now we're in Bucknell, so we're not far back from the railway station. Just for your info, there's a lovely pub restaurant here called the Baron at Bucknell. Camping available, or you can pop in for a drink and or a feast. So that has been a cracking walk. That's a bit longer than the first one, and I think some of the sections will get longer and longer, but hopefully we'll do those a bit later in the year. Weather will be brighter, days will be longer, and we say we'll probably do some camping in amongst it. Just want to say hi to Lisa on the Heart of Wales train line admin. She's been great at commenting on our videos and thanking us for publishing them so that they can use it to hopefully promote the line and the route. So, hi Lisa. Okay, as I say, we're back. We are back at Bucknell Station where we started this morning. That was a great walk, we had a great time, great company. Time is 1:30, so we're well in time for the day. And we'll just have a quick look on here. Finish, say 15.9 kilometres, so we're both wrong. Bear in mind we do a few extra ones, as you might know from the camera shots. But I would say about 14.5 kilometres is the route from Broome to Bucknell. So the next one will be Bucknell to Knighton. Don't know when that'll be another couple of weeks yet, but we'll let you know and we'll share it with you. So thanks for watching, see you again.